Harold made a plum pie. He ate 1/4 of the pie and left the rest for his friends. A moose came by and ate 1/3 of what Harold left behind. After that, a porcupine ate 1/3 of what the moose left behind. How much of the original pie still remained after the porcupine left? The choices are 1/12, 1/6, 1/4, 1/3, and 5/12. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the whole pie. Harold eats 1/4 of it, so the fraction left behind is 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4 of the original pie. Next, the moose eats 1/3 of what is left. 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/4. So 3/4 minus 1/4 leaves 1/2 of the pie. Then the porcupine eats 1/3 of what the moose left. 1/3 of 1/2 is 1/6. So 1/2 minus 1/6 leaves 1/3 of the pie. So after the porcupine leaves, 1/3 of the original pie still remains. That is answer choice D.